Many of us are preparing for the summer. Maybe you are already traveling to visit your extended family and are looking forward to seeing your children immerse into the other culture and language. In order to really make the most of this time and to avoid misunderstanding and frustrations, I thought I'd share some tips that helped me in the past, not only as a child who grew up abroad and would visit family during the holiday, but also as a mother of multilinguals growing up abroad. First, prepare your children to comments like, I don't understand, or you sound funny, or anything similar. And help them respond with, I know it's funny. How would you say? Or tell me how you say it. Brushing off these comments is not easy, but we can prepare them for them and have one or two responses ready that allow the other person to explain, to specify, and hopefully also help our children. Second, prepare your family and friends. Tell them what your children are into: sports, arts, books they like to read, games they like to play, movies they watched, songs they like, and invite them to prepare some games to play or activities to do with your children. And bring also some of their books and toys. And actually, ebooks is a very good invention if you want to travel light. Third, adjust your expectations. Your family and your friends might not be interested in speaking with your child or do any activity with them. That needs to be okay. We cannot expect others to be as dedicated to teach our children our languages as we are. So make a mental note and move on. Maybe they will help them if your child asks them. Maybe they won't. Not everyone is good with children. Even our parents might be impatient, not understanding, etc. Fourth, make the best out of every situation and have fun with your children so that you make precious memories with them. And fifth, explore through the eyes of your children. They will notice things that you don't. They will ask questions about the culture, the habits, the language, anything they see and hear. And who knows, maybe they will also find new friends, new connections, and so might you. So, these are just my 5 tips. I hope you find them helpful. Let me know in the comments and please share with those you think might need them too.